The country's most popular politician and former Citizen Coalition for Change leader, Nelson Chamisa, has been summoned to appear before the Justice Matthews Cheda-led Commission on Inquiry into the state of the Harare City Council. Sanapena mashoko aonekwa kunzi aiwa Advocate Nelson Chamisa uchi atakiwa manje to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Chimene vana vanzimu ai udanyugwa chete. The mission wants Chamisa to provide insights into the council's operations during his tenure. ZANU-PF established a commission to probe allegations of mismanagement and chaos within the Harare City Council, which has been scrutinized for its administrative challenges. Once at the helm of the party that led the council, Chamisa is expected to shed light on governance issues, although he stepped aside from Citizen Coalition for Change leadership prior to the recent upheavals. Observers note that the current tenure in the council has been largely attributed to Zenzo Chabangu's controversial role in reshaping the council's leadership. Critics argue that these developments occurred after Chamisa had distanced himself from the active council leadership, exonerating him from direct involvement in the alleged mismanagement. Ndo mashoko atunonoitika kuti aiwa kunyange the leader wevanhu Nelson Chamisa zvakanga astep down from Citizen Coalition for Change, navakomana vanga vachimushedza vachimuti ave answerable for mismanagements ari kuitika with the council as if he is active or taking part in those activities, but zvakauya zvikatogwa naNasingizo Chabangu. Zviitiko zvatiri kuona kuti vakomana aya vatanga manje, they are now attacking Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Zvatiri kuona kuti panguva inoi vanhu vari kuzotarisira vachimuona kuti he is now rising, he is now about to launch his new movement. Ndo pavakuuya vachida kumuataka, vachida kumutsvakira zvimwe zvatudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa musoro wechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section meno, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.